Hello everyone, I am S. Lalita, Assistant Professor of Dr. ISNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Application. In this video, we are discussing about virtualization with containerization. Virtualization versus containerization. Definition of virtualization is virtualizations create a multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. It can create multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Each virtual machine has own OS, libraries, dependencies. Use a hypervisor. It is the through using the hypervisor we can create the multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Containerization. Containerization means it is the package and application. It depends into the lightweight container. It is the package and applications is dependent into the lightweight containers. It's all containers share the same host as the kernel. Its use case of container search engines. Best example for containerization is Docker and Kubernetes. Architecture difference of visualization and containerization. Visualizations we can create the physical servers, host OS, hypervisor, guest OS and applications. But containerizations we can create through the physical server, host OS, container engine, containers and applications. These are the different architectures of the visualization and containerization. In this containerization, we can use container engine for along that containers. In the virtualization, we are access as a hypervisor as a guest OS. Resource usages. Virtualization is heavyweight. Each VM includes the full OS. Slow boot at time. It requires more CPU and RAM. Containerization's resources are lightweight, share OS kernel, fast startup, higher density. Use case of virtualization is multiple running multiple OS types, example Windows or Linux, etc. Legacy applications, full isolation secure data center and server or content consolidations. But this containerization we have used it in microservices, CI/CD pipelines, cloud native applications, scalable web application, portable development environments. Security. Visualization is stronger isolations, better security. But containerization is weaker isolations. It's require additional security measures. Containerization should need any additional security measures like a namespace, C groups policies. But virtualization is the fully isolations. It's the better security boundaries. Virtualizations have more overload due to the multiple OS layer. In the virtualizations, we are providing the multiple OS, so it is a lightly slow performance. But containerization never native performance. It's a minimal or kit processor. Scalability. Along with scalability, virtualization is low scaling and heavy resource allocated. But containerization is rapid scaling. It's ideal for distributed cloud environments. Features which containerization versus virtualizations. These are the features of containerization versus virtualizations. Isolation. Virtualization is strong isolations, but containerization is moderate isolation because the containerization should perform along with it could not along processing the isolate. It makes support some other devices. OS, the speed of OS is separate from VM machine. So shared OS kernel. Speed virtualization is slow startup because the multiple OS are inbuilt in VM machines. But containerization is fast startup. The resource usages in virtualization is heavy. Containerization is light. Performance in the virtualization is moderate, but containerization is high. Portability. It is the moderate. Containerization is high. Best for legacy system, multiple OS environment for virtualization, microservice cloud native applications for containerization. These are the architectures of the virtual machines and containers. Virtual machines, we have provided a host software, host operating system, hypervisor. We can create multiple VM. But through the containerizations, host hardware, host operating system, Docker engine. These are the container engine which need to provide. Docker engine or Kubernetes engine like that. We can maintain four kinds of applications in the softwares. Thank you.